Hi Raj. Hi Suresh. No shaken. Okay, Raj, you must need one PP kit. Suresh also, because we are working into a industry, and our product not to share for somebody this situation because COVID-19 is very very sensitive. So what we do, whatever we use, better to have one personal kit. Now I just came from outside. Okay, now what I do, I want to wear my PP first. So, okay, we just want to share how to do the personal disinfection for our PP because it's very sensitive. Okay, now my gloves is there. Anosan, wet wipe. But the benefit means this will make us, I have already used one now which is okay. Now, since I'm coming from outside, I don't want to take a risk. 100% I need to be safe. So Anosan is one of the best segments. And now I used, and we will dispose carefully. We cannot throw it out. So what I do, I keep it into my personal pocket at the stage, okay? And I will do now my glass. Okay, again I will take this tissue because I just newly taken, So I just swipe and I want to just to clean it lightly. This is all making 100%. This is without alcohol. And this is non-chlorine. There is no chlorine. So this we can use it very useful. Use it with vegetable. Yeah, vegetable. No. The sauce without skin problem. Okay. So that will do that. Now, since I have spectacles, I need to wear. I am not able to use this closed glasses because my Asana is covered now for me. Okay. No gloves, everything is okay. Now my PP is over. Just move it out now. The important things are there. Okay, what we do now, people want to reuse PP. And now this lot of products are not available. So what maximum to avoid the wastage? You need to try to reuse it. So this is a newly, I think you have taken today morning, right? Okay, now after your work, imagine you have finished your day. After finishing, you need to take this one into disinfection. 2 reasons. One is also reusing, and second is into save your money, save your companies well also. So what I do, we have Anosan liquid with proper mixing. So this is not going to make any problem for our personal body. Okay, even me also, I do. But it is personal care. Okay, now my shoe. I'll show you one. See my shoe. Okay, I did myself, so there's no problem. Now, I want to make you a disinfectant to touch, make more clothes. Okay, you have no problem. No problem. Okay, do one thing. Put your level. Okay, and this is just a fresh water. Okay, your shoe cover, your face, all. And I want to give you one tissue, personal tissue. Take one. Okay. You can just clean your glass, your face, your dinosaurs. So I'm keeping it here, my bag. Okay. Okay. Now, very cost-effective option and without harm to people.
I can buy this one with my eyes, right?
Ice means close your eyes. Yeah. Just normal tissue
Okay.
due to this corona. Otherwise, no need. Okay? Your hand, everything. Okay, now I did already. If you find there is any discomfort, you can do. Okay? So now I am going to, I want to make sure 100% you are free from this situation. So before you entering to the home, you need to do. Not start the time work. After you finish work, home, reaching before home, entering to home, you do it. Okay, now what Suresh also. Suresh, same way. Okay, because you are not in that exposure. Just to turn on slightly. Okay, fine. Touch. I need one more reason. What to do? Okay. Now you need to take a wipe and just clean it later, not now. Now, I want to tell you one easy method. You are all PPE. Okay, used PPE. After doing this one, you can remove it safely and do it. Imagine, now, this is your today's. Keep it here, there is no problem. You can also take the stool and keep it better. So this is your used coverall, because this is expensive and you wanted to reuse maximum because its availability is poor. Okay. This is only on your, that's why I am touching to myself. Same day when you do yourself. Okay? Clean it. I am doing the one thing. I take, okay, imagine this my PP. Okay, so I put it here. I finish my work, I am going home. I want, before that, I need to safely keep it proper disinfection bag. This is a container, okay? Now, we have a different PP. So, I think we can do minimum segments. I don't want to take my shoes. Gloves, I put it. Glasses, okay, this is, I already clean myself. Okay. Okay, give me this one more second. This is my bag. I also use different sectors area. Okay, now I can close this, not to expose to anybody. Okay, if you want to cable tie and lock it, make sure nobody will be open accidentally or carelessly. So this is protected, and we will write our name and we will write our code and make some cable tie and save it. And before that, what we do, we take this manual spray, and this is air gun. Okay, do all the way. Okay, one thing that, please hold it. Same, take it fully. Because one day only one coverall, not 2, 3. This is just for the combination thing. Make sure all your area and food. Single man, no need actually. I don't need help. I can do that. Okay. because this area is clean, no issue. Whatever the PP, individually take it out and do this spray. Okay. This is very expensive also. I can't throw during this time. You know the price, material, 200-300% hike on this hygiene item. So Suresh is finding very difficulty to, purchase because he has budget and you need to control the budget. So what we do as sincere people, better we open the seal. Okay. Do the inside area because this is not chlorine, so we have no problem for the. Okay, unless you have any special prescription, anything from the doctor, you're okay. So just come close with you. You need to see. Okay. As a purchaser of the company, you have to deal with the supplier. So if you are strong enough, you can negotiate. Avoid buying more quantity. Use good quality with the reusing the thing. Because this is also liquid proof. Okay, this is liquid proof material. So nothing will happen. Okay, now use with the gloves because I remove my gloves. That's why I did it. Okay, and now see the shape we are not losing because of the good quality material. Good quality. Yeah, reuse. Now just keep it a day or 2 days. And if you are sufficient, make a two this thing and keep 3 sets. 1 you are wearing, 2 will be going to the packet. So provide 3 for every colleagues and tell them to reuse. Yeah, two containers. Okay, there are also sizes, small also there, but I made more comfortability and people. Okay, so every colleague you make a 2 containers and 3 sets. Okay, and make it disinfected. Okay, and I have now new. Touch, give me. I have 3 kits, 3 items. So now what I do while going home, I will keep this thing inside. I will take my personal for my driving and till I reach home. So make a practice. Now what is the problem? Because of the COVID-19, people are disordered and material are short. And and economy, we are also very down. What is the most important? Help each other. Avoid the unnecessary expenses. Try to control the costing and make sure your safety and make sure our continuous working process. Because of the COVID, we cannot sit home. We cannot ideally close the office. Right? You need to work. Okay. Make yourself, cut your timing and be active, alert. And don't expose any risk, even this one, before we need to clean. All our items must be hygienic. Now your shoe cover. You can reuse it if you want. But shoe cover, try to take it not to here because this is our PPE plus our, above the foot. So feet is going very easy. That I cannot guarantee. So remove that into separate or you to wash water, something. But here, this we can do ourselves and thing. I just want you to little spray, put to your air and do. And what is the capacity this?
Capacity 1 liter.
1 liter bottle. Oh, lightweight, right? Slightly. Oh, yeah. Suresh, you're okay?
Yeah.
Any discomfort, any chemical, any smell? Because there's no chlorine. Chlorine. Yeah. Even what is the thing, the mask also you can do it. But I recommended not put the mask. But glass, I can keep the glass. Mask is totally more. That unless doctors what they recommend, I cannot tell you. But this is fact. Any doubt? You can ask. Your duty to control the cost. Your duty to make people safe and do the recycle disinfection process well. We need 100% target to protect our colleagues. They are our people. Right or not? Now if you're confident, you can get the shake hand. Suresh, thank you very much. Alright, and close it gently and make the cable tie and do it. So make a different color for the different department and to make sure each sector there will be a different color code, so it will also identify well. Okay? And be comfortable with your new style of working environment. Now we are stylish. I have a color. I'm enjoying my product with the proper color style. Now you wearing a very expensive sunglass with UV, with the safety impact resistance. Enjoy working with the proper safety without fear. So it will make yourself comfort and your family safer. So we enjoy life with proper PPE. Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
God bless you. Suresh, thanks.